Hi and welcome to Jowd's Academy. Today is the lessons about finding the derivative of logarithmic functions using the laws of log. Since we have y equals log of x plus 1 over x minus 1 base 10, this rational function has the same base of 10, so we can rewrite it as difference of logs. So this would be log base 10, bracket open, x plus 1, subtract log of x minus 1 base 10. So we can rewrite it like this in order to find the derivative of this function, or finding an expression for slope of a tangent. Now to find the derivative of this, now simply we go 1 over x plus 1 ln of the base, which is 10, and the derivative of the bracket here, x plus 1, would be just 1, multiplies by the top, and we do the same thing. The second term, so we minus 1 over x minus 1, and the ln of the base would be ln of 10, which the base is 10, and the derivative of x minus 1 would be 1, multiplies by the top. Now, this is an expression for slope of a tangent. If you were to give in a value for x to find the exact value of the slope of a tangent, right away you can go ahead and substitute here. Otherwise, you can also simplify further. So we can write as y prime equals, since we have 1 over x plus 1 ln 10, subtract 1 over x minus 1 ln 10. Now, in order to simplify, we get a common denominator, and your common denominator for both of these terms would be x plus 1 and x minus 1 and ln 10. So what happened from here to there? We multiplied this by x minus 1, so we multiply the top also by x minus 1. So 1 times x minus 1 would be x minus 1, subtract. Now what happened from here to here? So we multiply this by x plus 1, so we multiply the top one also by x plus 1, so 1 times x plus 1 here. Now all we got to do is simplify the numerator. So I'm going to push it up a little bit. So this would equal 2. So on top we will have x minus 1, subtract x, subtract 1, over x plus 1 and x minus 1 ln 10. And this would equal 2 in simplest form. The x and x cancels out, so we left with negative 2. And we can also multiply these two brackets. It would be x squared minus 1 ln 10. And that is in simplest form. So this is how you do these type of examples. And I'm just going to stop here, and please practice a few times until you understand. And then you can apply it to any example from your textbook. So please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question below in comment box, you can leave your questions. Should be able to answer it as soon as I see it. Other than that, wish you all the very best.